Ma?
Make we do pee go. Before your brother Banje go wake up now, you go begin complain. Okay. That pot where did that place? Did you say you don't wash her?
Yes.
Your brother don't wake up. I tell you. I'm going to bring pot. What's up?
Mommy? I'm sorry, but good morning,
Money.
Mommy?
What happened?
I'm lying down here like a shameless and hungry dog, mommy. You know that I've been cogitating on how to tackle these stupid government errors and problems, mommy. Mommy, as I'm going out now, you'll be hearing a sound of an ambulance. Carrying government to the body, they got their mortuary. Mommy, not only their dead body, you see the head of SARS. Mortuary. Mommy, not just
Please, my son.
Mommy, you see police head. Did they go for mortuary?
Oh my God!
You are not the one to kill them. You will not be the one to kill them.
It's my duty to.
So you want me to become a loser, Abi? Since your father died, you are the only one I have. Because he want to make me a childless mother.
What? Mommy, go for
please now.
Mommy, you cannot be.
You are the only one I have, please.
Yes.
You will not die, you.
Amen.
You will not die, my son. Because Junior, go and call this our girlfriend, please.
Mommy, this is not a case of girlfriend or no boyfriend. You see this thing now, my.
It's the only one that you hear her voice.
You think that Ngozi can stop me going for this? Mommy, no any amount of emotional bribe when Ngozi go give me make I no go.
Hey! Oh, Banje!
Excuse me. Let me explain. Baby, let me explain.
Explain.
You see this thing? Read it well.
I don't
Read this thing. So all the school fees I've been supporting you all this while, all the time you do university, you know Sabi. Come on, read this thing. So you know see
police people are killing people there.
Answers. I've lost your father. Now you want me to lose you. You will not happen.
Look at us like that to leave us and go. Please.
God,
you go nowhere.
God beg these two people.
You go nowhere. You will not die, you.
Who is Satan among two of you? I possess Satan get behind me.
You will not die, you.
Baby,
talk to your boyfriend, though.
Baby,
what is it?
Listen
I will not lose your father. Now I will lose you. You will not die.
What is it? Where are you going to?
Baby, hold this ATM card.
ATM card?
Yes. Mommy, go like this.
Why are you giving me your ATM card?
Only your number, your line, hold it, bro. Nana, protest. Hold this board well. Hold board well. Hold board.
I lose your father. You want me to lose you now? It cannot happen.
You are not losing.
It will not happen.
Mommy, you are not losing anything. You see this here? I have 10 million.
Jesus is Lord. 10 million.
Just take care of my mother for me.
What